So today I'll tell you how to easily reveal in seconds this password. It is very handy because sometimes we have guests in our home and there's a particular person who knows the password. That person is not present and we want to tell guest the password. So if we have a laptop which is already connected to a Wi-Fi, then we can easily tell them the password. So how to do this process easily in second? Stick around, I'll show you how. So first of all, you will click on this Wi-Fi symbol on your taskbar, right click, and then there's option open network and internet setting. You can click on this or you can simply left click on this and there's the option network and internet setting. So you can use both ways, or you can use the start menu also and write network there and you can explore it. So why I'm telling you different ways, because sometimes there are different versions of Windows, so you know which option you need to open. So simply click on this. After you click here, you will see another window, and then we have changed adapter option and network and sharing. So you need to click on this network and sharing center. After clicking here, then you have this Wi-Fi written here. So just click this. Then we have another window and we have two options, details and wireless properties. So we are going to click on wireless properties, and then we have connection and security. So you will click on this security and boom, your password will appear here. Now you see here, you can only see the dots here, but you need to click on this show characters and then your password will be visible to you. Now you can easily use this password in any of your device and you can easily connect. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.